reality days long.
Okay, this is the first color. It's called Risque. This color is so beautiful. I can't wait for this to join the fam. So now I'm going to take it off with my little Kylie skin wipe. These wipes work so well. Okay, here is Leave Him on Red. It's not a true red. It's like, how to explain this? Strawberry deliciousness. Okay, I had to step outside for the last color because I lost power. But this is Don't Trip. It's like nude blush color. It's so pretty. I literally had to leave the house to post these videos for you guys because I have no service at my house. So that's that. The colors, my new lip kits launch at 9 a.m. tomorrow on KylieCosmetics.com. These have to be 3 of the most beautiful colors that I think we've launched so far, so I can't wait to see you guys.
Trying to suck this dick. Give me your leg, sit down and angel, so fine and so thick, yeah. Feeling this could should be a sin, yeah. The universe must want me to win, angel.
Let me be the one to show you love. I need somebody just to hold you, love, and show you off like a trophy, love. Can I be your one and only? Can I be your one and only? Dress would make it better.
Stormy is watching a show in the back, but I wanted to show you guys that my coconut body lotion now comes in this amazing squeezy tube, and it's so much easier to get out. It used to be in a pump, but I love a squeezy tube. It's so much easier to apply.
The juice, I don't need a spray. Fuck 'em by the two, they both tryna ride. Then I ditch them both, I ain't even rate. Hot top Chanel, bitch, we drippin' right. Young white cell, bitch, we living life. Snake, snake.
Said that I've been acting different, yeah. Funny how I finally flipped the script on ya.